Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have an interesting one. We are going to be using the TDU volume zigzag histogram. Someone pointed this out to me the other day, so I thought I'd look at it a little bit. And we're going to be combining them with OD sniper trades. And the rules we're going to be using for this is showing volume basically, right? And we're going to be looking for divergence. So basically wherever these lines, like we have increasing volume and then decreasing volume, right? And on that second pullback where the OD would be, right, we want this divergence line to be here, right? Divergence line here, and we want a trapped X box. So right there's no trapped X box. We're going to be taking all those trades, and all that we're going to be requiring is less volume than the previous pullback. So it doesn't have to be under 80%, just less than the previous, okay? So we'll start. I kind of skip through the morning here, and we're just going to go through it. So, let's see. So this right here would be the first trade right here. Matches up. We have 87% trapped Xbox. That's a win. Okay. I'm not sure if this would have been a win right or a loss right here because of market replay, but that is a win. We're just going to kind of skim through. So whenever we see this orange line, right, this would technically be the ODD, but there's no trapped Xbox. So we're going to keep skimming through. We're looking for the trapped Xbox, right? So right here, we have that divergence in the volume histogram. Trapped Xbox, 74%. That's a win, okay? We're just going to be skimming through, trying to make these even more higher probability. Right here, again, same thing, but no trapped Xbox. Okay, so we're skimming through looking for those trapped Xboxes. Okay, and we'll go through a little bit of them. So the idea is just making it higher probability. Again, as I just said, the higher probability you can have, better, right? So there's not tons and tons of these. As you can see, we've only had 2 and it's 11:30. So not ideal in that aspect of things. Probably could have been done already creating the other just normal sniper strategy. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, there's definitely not tons and tons of them. Right here, we do have one. Lines up. It is kind of in chop, so we're just going to take that. Actually, this doesn't have a trapped Xbox on it. Sorry. These two do. So technically no trade there as well. Here we have one. 64%. The lines showing up, showing the divergence. So we'll take this trade. Trapped Xbox. Go for 2 bars. The win. Okay. I think that's 3-0. Again, not exactly sure if you would. Some of these pop up, some disappear. So it's weird how some of the divergences work, but this would be a trade, but too much on the ODD detector. Okay. Keep going, keep going. So 3-0 right now. That's basically coming to the close of the first day. Only 3. Here's a trade as well. That would have been a loser. So keep looking. So maybe we'll just say once we're 3-0, we'll walk away. Because that's what you should do anyway. There's a mosquito chasing me. This would be an entry here as well. You most likely would have stopped out on that trade. So we're just going to fast forward, say you were 3-0 because they recommend 3 trades and you're done. Okay, so we're going to say 3 and done. We'll fast forward to the next day. See if we can get some more trades earlier on. There's a trade, but too much volume. Going. Looking for the trapped Xboxes that line up with this. So right here, we have a nice trade. So this would be our first trade. 40% Again, this is a regular ODD. This is kind of just adding more confluence. So that's a solid trade. And there's your win, right? So fast forward, you're 1-0 on the day. And let's see if we can find another trade here. Not tons and tons of these, as you can kind of see, but if you can take out some losers, then it could be good, right? You can eliminate some losers. Also, you might miss out on a lot of winners, so it's kind of debatable. This is the first time I'm kind of looking at it. All right, here we have a second trades at 1040. So most likely you would have been done, way earlier on. So there's ODD with the volume histogram. Pivots on you right away, move back in your direction. That's a win. Technically, this is much less than the last here, but I'm not going to do that one. Here we go. Final trades at 1050, so you've been sitting on the screen for an hour and a half. 59%. Technically, this is a regular ODD, but 3-bar chop, kind of not the highest quality trade, but that is a win as well. So 3-0 as well. The first hour and a half, so we'll skim to the next day. Skim to the next day. And we'll check for some more trapped Xboxes that line up. That is one. Too much ODD volume. Skimming through. Not tons of these again. Let's keep going. You are definitely missing out on a lot of trades, but yeah. 10:15. We haven't taken a trade on this day. There's a mosquito flying all over me. All right. So here's your first trade. It's at 10:17. If 78% is a regular ODD, okay, but the volume histogram lines up, and there's your win. So you're 1-0 on the day. Keep looking. This could have been one. It probably would have, but again, you're in 2-bar chop, coiled chop, kind of in a range, so probably wouldn't want to take that. If you did take it, that was a loss, but you wouldn't have wanted to take that probably. We'll keep skimming. Again, we've only taken one trade on this day so far, and it's 11 o'clock, so I don't love it about that. I don't want to be sitting at my desk all day, right? That's not the point of trading. You don't want to sit at your desk all day. This is almost too picky, It's almost too picky. If you just properly know how to trade the sniper setups, then you're probably doing better that way. So like right here, beautiful HD trade, right? But didn't take it because, again. All right, here's second trades at 12:30, and that's a win. But again, you should have been done already. This is an HD trade. That would have won, but you're not taking those. Yeah. Here's another HD trade right here. But again, you're not taking those. That's a win though. Let's see. Lots of missed opportunities. Another HD trade win. Let's see. Yeah, there's not that many of these, honestly. I don't think it's worth it to do this because I'm not gonna want to sit at my desk this long. Like, there's only 2 solid trades that day with this combination. It's not worth it to me. Not worth it. I wouldn't do it. Yeah. Yeah, so I mean, it looks like it works decent. It can add some extra confluence onto what you're doing. Um, but I'd say overall, it's just not worth it because you're missing out on too many trades. Um, so let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments below. But that's all. See you guys.